Hello there, my name is Gozo, and today I'm just going to do a quick work through on the most common components in the Arduino kit. So firstly, we have the Arduino board. So take a look at the Arduino board. This is your Arduino board. So this board is responsible for sending instructions to all the other parts in your structure, in your system, in your robotic setup. That's the Arduino board. So the Arduino board, you connect it to the computer, then through this USB cable, you can upload your instructions. Connect it to the USB port of the computer, then you upload your instructions. So that's the most important piece in our projects. In the projects we are going to do, we're going to use this one 100% in all the projects. Then secondly, we have what we call the breadboard. So what is the breadboard? The breadboard, this is the component which connects all the other pieces. So we can connect the Arduino, we can connect our lights. This is where the power runs through. So this is where the flow of electricity happens. You connect your Arduino as this power supply. Then you connect all the other LEDs on the breadboard. So there are different types of breadboards. There's this 830, then there's this 430, which is the small piece. So any of these is perfectly okay. Then next, what do we have? So we have these LED lights. We have LED lights. So these ones are for output, LED lights. So these ones are for output. We have green, yellow, and red. So we connect these on our breadboards. Then we connect our Arduino. Then we can turn on these LED lights. So there's only one issue which limits us from turning these LED lights. When we connect our breadboards and our Arduino, the power is 5 volts. And 5 volts is too much for the LED lights. So what happens with these LED lights? They burn out. So which brings me to this. Resistors. So these are resistors. It's in the name. They resist the current or the flow of electricity that's being transmitted to these LED lights. So if this Arduino is outputting 5 volts, these resistors are going to minimize the power so that these LEDs are not fried. That's the purpose of the resistors, sorry. So up close, the resistors, they have different color segments, color units. So this one, these are resistors. So what happens, you can just bend your resistor like this. Then you place it on your breadboard. So I'm going to give you another lesson on how I'm going to do that. So now we have these. These are pretty important. These are jumper wires or jumper cables. So this is where all the connection happens. You connect your jumper wires on the breadboard to the Arduino, to the resistors, to the LED lights, and so forth. We're going to do that in our next lesson, probably, where we turn on the LED lights. We make a blink, on and off, on and off. Okay? So next we have a buzzer. What is a buzzer? You can just, it's an output device. It beeps. Boo, boo. So you can say this. You can write code where you say, right, if the LED light turns red, the buzzer is going to beep. So that's your buzzer. We're going to do a lesson on that. So now I just want you to be comfortable with these components and know what is this and what each component does. Then we have, judging by the sound, what do you think this is? These are buttons. We have different sizes, different versions, but these are buttons. And I'm pretty sure you know what a button does, but you now know what it looks like. It's in the kit. If you buy the kit from our website, visioncron.free.nf, you're going to have all these components. So this is just a denoter which helps you identify which button is this. We have different colors, blue, green, red, so you can just place it on the button. Okay. Okay, now your set is complete. Perfect. Okay, then lastly, this is just a 9V battery. You have to purchase this. It's not included in the kit, but if you want it, you can order it externally. We are going to use it at a later stage, but not in our first few projects. It's very important. So all of these are the basic components you have to know if you want to follow along with this course. You have to know what is the breadboard, what the breadboard does, its functions, etc. So if you don't have the kit, I recommend you order it from our website because it's going to have everything we are going to use except for the battery. You can order the battery externally, but if you're comfortable ordering from other sources, that's on you. So I'm pretty sure, yeah. And another thing, please download the resources from the site because the resources with PowerPoints, everything, it explains things clearly and faster. Here I'm just going to show you the practical skills you are going to need in order to go up. So that's all. We're going to meet in our next lesson. Thank you. I'm Ashley Gozo, by the way. I'm a computer science teacher, software developer, robotics enthusiast, yeah, something like that. Okay, thank you. I design systems, a number of things. Okay, thank you. So I hope you follow along on the course, and I really, really hope you enjoy and get something out of it. Thank you. Peace out.